Tanystropheus is an extinct, long-necked reptile which lived approximately 215 million years ago during the Late Triassic Period. The Tanystropheus was first discovered in the 19th century by a man named Francesco Bassani in 1886. The Tanystropheus could reach up to 20 feet long, a reptile that originated from the Middle Triassic Period. This prehistoric sea reptile had crazy body structural features such as a elongated neck, which according to the fossil evidence is around 9.8 feet long, much longer than its body and tail combined. The monumental and colossally long stiff neck of the Tanystropheus composed an average of 12 extremely elongated vertebrae. Some complete fossils and skeletons have been found in Europe and Italy. Other fossils have been found in the Middle East and China, dating to 232 million years ago during the middle of the Triassic period. The Tanystropheus mainly hunted fish as its primary diet. I mean, after all, fossil evidence suggests Tanystropheus lived on the shore, or near the shore, and still had a somewhat of a carnivorous diet, which is odd because most people see a long neck on TV and think anything but a carnivore. Nature's crazy like that. I don't know for sure if the Tanystropheus would have targeted humans. While it's likely due to its previous dietary choices, something tells me you wouldn't want to find out.